Here are 6 of the most devastating volcanic eruptions in history, based on their impact on human life, the environment, and global climate. Mount Tambora in 1815, Indonesia. The largest volcanic eruption in recorded history, estimated 71,000 deaths, including those from subsequent starvation and disease, caused the year without a summer in 1816, leading to widespread crop failures and famine. Krakatoa in 1883, Indonesia. One of the loudest eruptions ever recorded. The sound was heard 3,000 miles away. Over 36,000 deaths, mainly due to tsunamis caused by the eruption. Ash clouds reduced global temperatures, and sunsets worldwide turned vividly red. Mount Vesuvius in 79 CE, Italy. It buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under volcanic ash. An estimated 13,000 to 16,000 people lost their lives. The eruption preserved the cities as archaeological sites, offering us a unique insight into ancient Roman life. Mount Pelée in 1902, Martinique. It destroyed the city of Saint-Pierre within minutes. Approximately 30,000 people died, with only a handful of survivors. One notable survivor was a prisoner in a stone cell who escaped unharmed. Mount Unzen in 1792, Japan. The eruption triggered a massive landslide and tsunami. Over 15,000 deaths occurred, making it Japan's deadliest volcanic disaster. It devastated nearby towns and villages. Mount Thera in around 1600 BCE, Greece. It was one of the largest eruptions in history and is believed to have contributed to the decline of the Minoan civilization. While the exact numbers are unknown, the eruption caused widespread destruction across the Aegean region. It likely influenced climatic changes and inspired myths such as Atlantis.